Hello students, now come to the next topic of this chapter, that is rounding off numbers. Okay, how we will round off? So first we will try to show the rounding off to nearest 10, rounding off a number to the nearest 100, rounding off a number to the nearest 1000. Let's talk about first rounding off to nearest 10. Let's take an example. If I take 23, so this number will be definitely in between 20 and 30. Now question arises, from 20 to 30, this digit, this number 23, it will be nearer to 30 or it will nearer to 20, as because nearest 10, this is 310, this is 210, okay, 20, 30. Now we will try to find out this is nearer to which 10, either 210 or 310. So for this we will try to see the number ones place. If it is less than 5, okay, this number already it is less than 5, then it will be nearest to the lowest 10, okay. And suppose if I write 8, now in this case it is greater than 5, then this will be nearest to the upper highest 10, okay, that is 30. Try to understand here. Once again I want to show you. Let's take 3, as because the ones digit, if we talk about nearest 10, so we will see the ones digit. Here 3 is less than 5, then it will be nearest to the lowest 10, that is 20. Now if I take an example of suppose 27, here also it is in between 20 and 30. Here in this case 7 is greater than 5, then definitely this will belong to higher 10, that is 30. Now if we get 25 here, then what we will do? Definitely it will be in the middle. But for 25, again I am telling that we will take this thing towards the highest 10, that is 30. Okay, let's take any example. Few more examples, let me show you. Say 56, 78, 82, 44. Okay. Now this 56 is in between 50 and 60. As because we are talking about nearest 10, we will see ones digit. 6 is greater than 5, then it will move forward. It will belongs to the higher 10, that is 60. Okay. Again, this 78 is in between 70 and 80. Again, we talk about nearest 10. We will see the ones place. This ones place is greater than 5. Once again it will move to the higher 10, that is 80. Again now 82, it falls in between 80 and 90. So 82, again we will see the ones digits because we are talking about nearest 10. So 2 is definitely less than 5, then this belongs to the lowest or the lower 10, that is 80. So 82 is nearest to the 80. Once again 44 is in between 40 and 50. So once again we will see ones digit here, ones place. Here again it is 4, which is less than 5. So definitely it will go to the lowest 10, that is 40. The 44 is rounding off to 40. 82 is rounding off to nearest 10, definitely will be 80. 78 nearest 10, 80, 56 nearest 10, 60. I hope you have understood this one, nearest 10. Now let's talk about nearest 100. Let's take a digit. Suppose 5, 3, 9. So it falls in between 500 and 600 because we talks about nearest 100. So which 100 it will be nearest to? Either it is 500 or 600. So for nearest 100, this time we will see the tens digit, tens place. What is the digit in tens place? Same funda, if the digit is less than 5, it will move to the lowest 100. If the digit is greater than 5, it will move to the highest 100, like higher 100. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose 668. Here tens, it falls. So once again, let me write this one. 6, it falls between 600 and 700. Okay, now if you see here the tens digit, the tens digit is 6, which is greater than 5, then this will move towards, definitely it will nearer to the higher 100, that is 700. Now let's take another example. 159. So it falls in between 100 and 200. If we check it here, the tens digit is equal to 5. As I told you, greater or equal, in both cases it will be nearer to the higher 100, that is 159 is closer to 200 rather than 100. So I hope you have understood this one. For tens we will check ones place, for 100 we will check tens place, for 1000 we will try to check 100 place. Let's see here. For 1000, for rounding of 1000, suppose 6 3 2 5 8 6. These 2586 falls in between 2000 and 3000. For nearest 1000 we will check the hundreds place. Here 5, which is equal to 5, definitely it will be nearer to the higher 1000, that is 3000. Let's take few more examples. 5608, 1132, 8911. Let's take another one. 2424. Now 5608 falls in between 5000 and 6000. For 1000, nearest 1000 we will try to check the hundreds place. It is 6, which is greater than 5, then definitely it will move to the higher 1000, it is 6000. So 5608 will be nearest to 6000. Here 1132, it falls in between 1000 and 2000. In this case we can see 100's place is 1, which is very much less than 5, so definitely it will be moved towards the lowest 1000. This means it will be nearer to the lowest 1000, it is 1000. Now once again here 8000, so it falls under 8000 and 9000. Here in 100 place we can see 9, which is very much greater than 5, far greater than 5, so it will move towards the higher 1000, it is 9000. So 8911, nearest 1000 will be 9000. Same case here also. 2424, this 2424 falls in between 2000 and 3000. We will try to see the hundreds place. Here it is 4, which is 4 is less than 5, and definitely it will be more nearer to the lowest, lower 1000, it is 2000. So I hope you have understood. Once again I am telling, rounding off to nearest 10, to check this one we will check ones place. Okay, which digit is there? If it is less than 5, then it will move to the lowest 10, lower 10. If it is equal to or more than 5, it will be nearer to the higher 10. Same case for this one, we will try to check tens place. If the digit in tens place is lower than 5, smaller than 5, then the number will be more nearer to the lower 100 rather than higher 100. But if the number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then that number will be nearer to the higher 100. Same way for 1000 also, rounding to nearest 1000, we will check the hundreds place. Hundreds place, same case, the digit in the hundreds place, if it is less than 5, it will be nearer to the lower thousand. If it is equal or higher than 5, then it will be nearer to the higher thousand. So I hope you have understood all the way the rounding of the nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000 very nicely. So I think you can do your maths very nicely. Thank you.